Friends, welcome for this second session on global economics. In the earlier session, we have studied first two topics of economics, meanings of economics and demand analysis. In this present session, we'll have unit number 3 and 4, supply analysis and cost concepts. So let us start with supply analysis. What is meant by supply? Supply means the quantity of stock offered for sale at a particular price. Okay. So there is a difference between stock and supply. Stock is whole thing. Out of that, whatever is offered for sale at a particular price is called supply. So, example, a farmer has 100 kg of rice. The price is rupees 40 per kg. He has offered 60 kg for sale at this rate. Then the stock is 100 kg, but supply is 60 kg. Supply is always less than or equal to stock. Supply cannot be more than stock. Stock can be more than supply, but supply cannot be more than stock. So just like law for demand, no, there is also a law of supply. And law of supply is exactly opposite of law of demand. Because in law of demand we have seen if the price goes up, the demand goes down. But it is opposite in case of law of supply. The law of supply states that other things remaining unchanged, the quantity of goods supplied will vary in direct proportion with its price. It means lower the price, the less will be the quantity supplied and vice versa. So if the price goes up, the supply goes up. And if the price goes down, supply also goes down. And this is called directly proportional. Supply is directly proportional to price, whereas demand is inversely proportional to price. Now, supply schedule. What is supply schedule? It is basically a table showing the quantity offered at different prices during a specified period. For example, price of vegetable per kg in rupees. If the price is 6 rupees, quantity supplied is 15 kg. If the price increases to 8 rupees, then the quantity supplied also increases to 25 kg. And if the price goes up to 10, the quantity goes up to 30. So this shows if the price increases, supply also increases. We can convert this into a graph, and that is called supply curve. So what is supply curve? On one side there is price, on another side there is quantity supplied. So this is the supply curve, and supply curve moves upwards, whereas demand curve moves downwards. So it is sloping upwards. So another graph of same law of supply, where it shows the supply curve is moving or sloping upwards. So demand curve is shown as D dash and supply curve is shown as S dash. S dash means supply curve. So what are the factors affecting supply? Just like demand is affected by so many factors other than price, the supply is also affected by so many factors other than supply. So what are these factors? And they are called as the determinants of supply. Determinants means the factors affecting the supply. The first one is the cost of production. Second one is technology.